Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do a little review and quickie install on a Zoom Engineering Penta mirror. This is a 235mm size, and as you can see, there's a blue tinted lens. It is convex, so you can slightly see it. So it's kind of a wide angle lens. And it's called Penta because it's 5 shaped like a pentagon. So I actually had this black version on my car and I really liked it, and I regretted not getting the carbon version. So what I just received is the carbon version. Here's a nice look at it. It's a nice 1x1 weave. And you have to buy so the mirrors are actually universal. They make them in 2 different sizes. This is the largest size they make for the Penta. And you have to buy the stems vehicle specific separately. So the mirrors come with the stem and a nice little instruction page for you. It's super easy for the NSX. You just pop off this plastic cover, remove the single Phillips bolt, and then you actually this mirror comes assembled. If yours doesn't come assembled, you just put together like this, but it comes assembled with these pieces in here, and basically you just loosen this screw, this Allen screw, to loosen this plate, and this plate slides into the OEM mount on your windshield. And then it comes with 2 Allen tools, larger ones for this piece, and the smaller one is for these two to adjust the tension on the ball. So very simple, very easy, very nice quality. I'll bust out the OEM mirror so you can see it side by side. All right, so here's a comparison of the stock mirror with a Broadway. So this is what I usually use, a Broadway convex add-on, versus the 235 Penta. So weight-wise, I weighed both of the Penta mirrors. They come in the same at about 0.4 pounds. So both the fiberglass and the carbon fiber came in at that. I mean, I'm sure there's a slight difference in weight, but this is not a very accurate, super accurate this is down to the 10th pound. But along with, so this setup, especially with the Broadway mirror, is pretty heavy. So you can see here that we're weighing in at 1 pound with the Broadway mirror attached. And then 0.6 pounds without the Broadway mirror. So the Broadway mirror is actually pretty heavy, adds a decent amount of weight, but still, even alone with the OEM mirror, you do have a weight savings with this. Or not that anyone's really counting, a half a pound here and there, but if you are, then I guess good for you. This is a weight savings, but for me, it's just a cool thing to have. Again, so I've always used these Broadway stick-on mirrors, and it's just not a good look. I held off for I've used these for a long time in a lot of my cars, and this is just a way cleaner look and something nice to have. So we'll go ahead and throw this in real quick and show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so quickly on this install, I decided that it's easier to remove this from the mirror. So you just need an 8mm wrench, and you just get it on this nut right here. So this nut is built into the stud, and so you're going to want to loosen these, because when we install it, we're just going to be spinning this ball to get it tightened on, unless you have enough room to spin your entire mirror, but I don't, because I have a dash cam. So loosen these so you can spin these all the way back on once you install the stem. So again, the stem is going to go in like this with the this piece that's sticking out is gonna go, it's gonna sit into this piece, so you're gonna have to this side facing down. So, and like that. Okay, so that's basically how it works. You want to tight but not too tight, just nice and snug. And I don't have my cover right now. Is about the time when you would put the cover back in. I grab my mirror, throw this up here. And your final adjustment is going to be with the 2 Allen screws. So just do a little bit of a snug, don't go too crazy. And then I'm going to put a little bit of tension on these. That way it holds in place. So I'm going to set the mirror. I'm in my driver's seat. I'm setting the mirror to the position that I want it. And then all you do once you get to that point is now do a final adjustment, tightening in the bolts now that you got it into position. So I'll do that, and then I'll get out of the car and give you a better look at the mirror. Alright guys, so here's a look at the mirror. Very happy with it. Give you guys a look at the carbon. And that'll do it for today's video. Thanks for watching.